Hey there, thanks for choosing TerraTern for your Australian immigration journey. You have just made a huge decision and you're one step closer to making Australia your new home. We are really excited to help you. Now, you are probably wondering what happens next. Don't worry, we have got answers to your questions. You're likely thinking, am I eligible? Will my education, work experience and skills count? Good news is, we have solutions for all these concerns. Not sure if your job is in demand in Australia? We will help you figure out that too. We have got you covered with job search assistance, visa documentation and language training to ace your IELTS. Our Band 9 ranked trainer guarantees help to attain the magic score of 8 in all 4 IELTS components. Plus, we don't stop at just getting you there, we also help with everything after you land. From assisting in affordable flight fares to SIM cards and accommodation, we will help you feel at home faster. So what's next? Our expert counselors will reach out within 24 hours to assess if your education and work experience comply with the Australian Qualification Framework at no cost to you. In the meantime, here's something cool. Scroll down to see the real success stories from people just like you who trusted us to make their dreams come true. You can also calculate your PR points with our easy tool before even we call you. Excited, right?